In this tutorial, I'll show you this gradient material by using separate XYZ and Combine XYZ nodes. The mesh was created with a plane. I created a plane, went to edit mode by using Tab. Then I right-clicked and typed S to subdivide. I typed S to scale. Finally, in edit mode, I randomized the mesh like this. Let's take a look at the nodes. Here are the full nodes. Basically, I didn't touch the basic BSDF node. I have added Combine XYZ and Separate XYZ in places for the usual single color ramp node. I added 3 color ramp nodes for the XYZ. The colors were separated and combined once again to create the gradient we see on the mesh. Please experiment with the nodes, as I have found a lot of interesting gradient results by changing the node settings like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.